Hello everyone and welcome to the Power BI series. In this video, we will cover some very important topics like different ways to download and install Power BI Desktop, which option you should use to install, minimum system requirements to run Power BI smoothly, step-by-step guide to install Power BI Desktop in your system, what are the limitations and common errors and how to fix them. And finally, a quick look at general settings after installation. So watch the video till end. You can install Power BI Desktop as an app directly from the Microsoft Store, or you can download the setup from Microsoft's official website and install it manually. In both cases, you will get the latest version of Power BI Desktop. So which option should you choose? Let me share three important differences. The first difference is the automatic updates. So Power BI Desktop is updated every month by Microsoft. If you install it from Microsoft Store, Windows will upgrade the latest version automatically in the background. But if you download the exe file, you have to manually download and install the latest version every month. The second difference is the download size. When you use the Microsoft Store, it only downloads the components that changed in each update. So updates are smaller and faster. But if you use the exe version, you will need to download and install the full setup package each time whenever there is an update. The third difference is the admin privilege. So when you are installing from the Microsoft Store, you don't need admin rights. But if you are installing the exe version, you must have admin access on your computer. So because of these three important benefits, Microsoft recommends using Microsoft Store to install Power BI Desktop for regular users. Now the question is why exe option is available. So the exe installer makes distribution, updates and installation easy and more convenient, especially for the IT administrators. Also, you can use command line parameters to customize the installation process. I'm sharing the minimum system requirements to run Power BI Desktop smoothly and how to check it. To check operating system, RAM and CPU, press Windows and R key. In the Run window, type msinfo32 and press Enter. Select System Summary and you can check the OS name, which is Windows 11, RAM, which is 8 GB, processor, which is 1 GHz. To check the free space, press Windows and E key, and in the Explorer, select this PC and check the free space of C drive. So currently it is 49.5 GB. To check the display, right click on desktop and select display settings. Scroll down and check the display resolution settings. Now to check the net framework version, press Windows R key. To open the run dialog box, type reg edit and press enter. This will open registry editor. Click on computer, H key local machine, software, Microsoft. Scroll down and go to net framework setup NDP version 4 and select full. Now on the right side, check the release. Double click on this, select the decimal. Now you can check the value and identify .NET version. So let's start downloading and installing Power BI Desktop on your system. So open google.com and type download Power BI Desktop. First we will download and install the exe version from official website. So Here's the first link, which is saying download Microsoft Power BI Desktop from official website. So click on this. Now it will open the Microsoft Power BI Desktop page. First, you have to select the language. So I have already selected English. Now click on download.
First file is for 32-bit system and second is for 64-bit system. This is 64-bit system.
So I will select the 64-bit one, click on download. The download has already been started. Now the file has been downloaded successfully. Double click on this. In the first screen, select the language. So I'm selecting English. Click next. Click on next. Select the terms. Click on next. Click on next and click on install button. Now it is installing the Microsoft Power BI Desktop on your system. Now click on finish button and the Power BI Desktop is started launching. Now to install the Power BI Desktop from Microsoft Store, type Power BI Desktop and click enter. The first link is Power BI Desktop. Click on this, click on download now button. It will ask to open the Microsoft Store. Click on open Microsoft Store. Now click on get button. It has started installing Power BI Desktop from Microsoft Store. Now click on open.
Power BI Desktop is successfully installed on your system.
If you click on the blank report, and this is the main screen of the Power BI Desktop. Let's understand few important settings and options available. So go to File, click on Options and Settings. Now select Options. Now select Regional Settings in current file, and this setting will determine how the numbers, dates and currencies will be displayed according to the specific region. Now under Global, click on Save and Recover, and when this option is enabled, Power BI will keep the last automatically recovered version of your report even if Power BI crashes or closes unexpectedly without a manual save. Now under the Global, select Preview Features. So whenever you are using Power BI Desktop, please check this and you can enable all features. These are experimental functionalities which is available for testing and feedback. After selecting, restart your Power BI Desktop. Power BI doesn't run with a system account, so always use regular user accounts. Power BI doesn't support ARM architecture. Lower resolution is not supported by Power BI because some controls display beyond those resolutions. If you set your Windows display setting to more than 100%, you won't see some dialogues. So always keep Windows display setting to 100%. Power BI Desktop doesn't support Internet Explorer enhanced security configuration. If Net Framework version is lower than 4.6, then you may experience any one of the problem. So to resolve this, upgrade the Net Framework version. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.